Now see, I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. So put x is equal to 3.8 to left and right side here, and see that this x is equal to 3.8 satisfy this equation or not. So that will be 0.18 into 5 into 3.8 minus 4. This is 0.5 into 3.8 plus 0.8. So it will be 0.18, and this one is 5 into 3.8, that is 19.0 minus 4, and this is 1.90 and plus 0.8. So it will be 0.18, and this is 19 minus 4, that will be 15, and that is 1.9 plus 0.8, that is 9 plus 8, 17. This is 2.7. And left side multiply 18 by 15, that will 5 8 is 40, 5 into 5 4 9, and this is 18. So it will be 0 7, this is 2, and this is because decimal here 2.7. So it will be 2.7, and it is also 2.7. So left side and right side both are same, that's why our answer is correct. Now I am going to solve question number 30. Question number 30. Question number 30 is solve 0.5 x minus 0.8 minus 0.2 x equal to 0.2 minus 0.3 x. Okay, so it will be 0.5 x minus, see this 0.5 x can be written as 5 by 10x. Okay, and minus this 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10 minus this is 2 by 10x. Note it. See, simply open the bracket. Simply open the bracket. What we have, this is 0.5x minus this is 0.8 minus minus plus 0.2x equal to 0.2 and minus 0.3x. Now transfer this to this side, means terms which contain x, transfer them to left and others to right. So we have this is 0.5x and plus 0.2x, and this is when transfer minus 0.3x to left side, that will be plus 0.3x, and in the right side this is 0.2 and transfer this to right side, 0.8 to right side, that will be 0.8, so plus 0.8. So this one is 0.5, 0.2, 0.7, 0.3, 1.0x, that is, and 0.2, 0.8, that is 1.0. Clearly this is 1 into x, that is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Now I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. So equation is what? Equation is 0.5x minus 0.8 minus 0.2x equal to 0.2 minus 0.3x. Now replace x by 1. Put x is equal to 1. What we have? 0.5 into 1 minus 0.8 minus 0.2 into 1 is equal to 0.2 minus 0.3 into 1. So what we have? 0.5 into 1, that is 0.5, minus this is 0.2 into 1, 0.2, and this is 0.8 minus 0.2, that is 0.6. Okay, and that is 0.2. Okay, and this is 0.3 into 1, 0.3 minus 0.3. So what we have? 0.5 minus 0.6, that is minus 0.1, and right side 0.2 minus 0.3, that is minus 0.1. Clearly you can see that left side and right side are same, that's why our answer x is equal to 1 is correct. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 32. I am going to solve question number 32. Question number 32. Let's solve 2x plus 5 upon 3x plus 4 equal to 3. Okay. So that's very easy question. Doing the cross multiplication, we have this is 1 into 2x plus 5 and right side 3 into 3x plus 4. So open the bracket, 1 to the 2x plus 1 into 5, 5, 3 3 is 9x plus 3 4 is 12. Okay, so what we have, this is 2x and transfer this 9x to left side, that will be minus 9x, and this is 12, transfer this plus 5 to right side, minus 5. So what we have, 2x minus 9x, that is minus 7x, equal to 12 minus 5, that is plus 7. So from here x is equal to what? 7 upon minus 7, that is minus 1. Okay, when 7 is divided by 7, that is 1. So 1 upon minus 1, that is minus 2. So our answer is x is equal to minus 1. Now I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. So equation is here, this one. I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. So put value of x, that is equal to minus 1 here, and check that it satisfies left side and right side becomes equal or not, means it satisfies the equation or not. Means 2 into x is minus 1 plus, that is 5, upon 3 into x is minus 1 plus 4 equal to 3. So what will become? See, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 5 upon 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 4 equal to 3. So from here what we have, 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 4 minus 3, that is 1. Okay, and our right side is 3. So 3 divided by 1, 3 equal to 3. You can see left side and right side both are equal, means our answer is correct. So x is equal to minus 1 is the answer of, is the solution of this equation. Okay, so that's enough for today, and our first exercise is finished today. Today our first exercise is finished. Now there are many questions which I have solved, and many questions which are left for you, that is homework for you. And if you have any doubt, click the photo of that question and send to the group, WhatsApp group. I will solve that question and send to you. Thank you.